Hello, good people. How are you all? Let's talk about a different crypto site, that is Carcoin. Carcoin is a token that powers automatic crypto classified marketplace. Users connect with inventory, earn rewards, and complete vehicle purchase. Dealers take Carcoin to list their vehicles across the network and connect with consumers. The goal of Carcoin is to create an environment that will give credit access and transparency to consumers across the network and move mainstream adoption to the automotive industry. Carcoin is a token used across the network where consumers are connected with live inventory from auto dealers. Their concept is developed with blockchain technology where the auto dealers takes Carcoin in order to list their inventory and gain access to the network. Consumers can use Carcoin to purchase vehicles, list vehicles on a classified platform, and more. Carcoin will provide liquidity and credit access to consumers as well as create transparency across the automotive industry. Carcoin Markets front-end platform connects consumer with auto dealers using live cryptocurrency conversation. Through this framework, consumers can complete transaction by connecting through Carcoin various payment system integration. The release of the Carcoin plugin will give all auto dealers access to free advertising across a large network of channels across the world. 1000 Carcoin will need to be staked by the dealer in the plugin wallet to maintain services. This will also allow for success of Carcoin being exchanged direct to the dealer through any platform with the plugin installed. Holders of Carcoin can stake their tokens with an early annual percentage rate of 40%. Those tokens are accepted by dealer partners through the platform as a discount of vehicle purchase commensurate with value. In addition to the integrated payment portals, Carcoin intends to develop a decentralized auto finance app that will collateralize your wallet against the purchase of a vehicle. This in turn opens up credit access and purchasing ability to a large market. Carcoin is an ERC20 token that utilizes the Ethereum network. The accessibility and transparency of this network makes Ethereum a logical fit. The ability to utilize smart contracts, a set of promises specified in digital form, including protocols within which the parties perform on the other promises. To deploy payments on automatic collateral is a necessary function of the Ethereum network that will be utilized in the continued development of the Carcoin market network. If you ask me why as a car owner you should use Carcoin to sell your car, I can definitely say that Carcoin is reliable, provides peace of mind when it comes to the safe storage of your data. It provides 24/7 customer support with Carcoin, Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies. You can customize Carcoin. They at Carcoin choose a flexible solution to tailor customer needs. And last but not the least, Carcoin has the ability to handle fast responses even at concurrent request. After all of these facilities, do you need to think twice to sell your car by Carcoin? I think it is not. So, hurry up to sell your car by safe platform that is Carcoin. Carcoin take the time to get to know you and your car. They understand the car market and share their knowledge to help you navigate its constantly changing conditions. Carcoin service to you is absolutely free. You will have completed peace of mind knowing you are dealing with reputable, fully licensed dealers with full legal protection, operating Australia-wide and willing to come to you for any type of car. There is no need for a roadworthy certificate and the transfer is completely taken care of on your behalf with a sale finalized in the shortest amount of time possible. So guys, start to get the highest profit by selling your car with Carcoin experts now. Thank you everyone.